Hello, friends. I wrote a poem in English on the title Waiting for Godot a very long time ago. But I generally write directly poems on the Facebook without using any pen or paper. That's why I forgot. I got it accidentally while searching a post on my Facebook profile. Please listen to it. I hope you will like it. The title of the poem is Waiting for Godot. At the end of the poem, I tell you who Godot is. We are common people. We always wait for Godot in every age. We know very well you never came, you never come, you will never come. Still, we all wait for you. But we never aid, we never lose heart, we never admit defeat. We have heard since our childhood from our parents from their parents from their forefathers. You'll come one day or the other day. We have heard since our childhood. In the 21st century, everything would be changed. No hatred, no jealousy, no discrimination, no caste, no creed, no color, no nationality. There would be no place for walls. There would be no room for boundaries created by fanatic politicians. Whenever you come, we would get everything as you wish: bread for hungry, water for thirsty, clothes for ill clad, home for homeless, employment for every hand. Many things which can't be discussed in a short poem, but nothing is changed. Oh Godot, you have not come yet, but Modo has come. Bastard sons of Hitler are his staunch followers. Media is his great tool for popularity. They are always showing him as Godot. They are always spreading hatred on the name of religion, caste, creed, and color. Oh Godot, we all know you will never come, still we all wait for you because possibilities never die. I would like to tell you who is Godot. Godot is the main character of Samuel Beckett's play Waiting for Godot. Godot does not come on stage in all the drama. Two characters, Vladimir and Astrago, wait for the arrival of Godot, who never arrives, and while waiting, they engage in a variety of discussions and encounter three other characters. Thank you. I hope you will like this video. Okay, bye bye.